Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. This is an E-type EPS shaping molding machine we deliver to Australian market. Because the voltage in Australia is 415 voltage and frequency is 15 Hz, which China is 380 voltage and 15 Hz. We are using the Seebeck vacuum pump from Germany. Therefore, we have changed our vacuum pump and hydraulic motor to 415 voltage accordingly. We can customize the voltage of the motor to suit with the customer's needs. 380, 450, 440, and 460 voltage are the normal voltages. 15 Hz and 16 Hz are the normal frequencies. For more information about EPS machine, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. See you next video.